Welcome to Black 4159. Here we go. It's another team-based break. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. Whoever's on top of the end will go to person spot 1. Whoever's on the bottom will go to person spot number. Whoever's on top of the end wins the Jags. 5 times. Here we go. What's your favorite big cat, Tabby?
Favorite what?
Big cat.
Oh, it's going to be the cat. Carlton Towns.
Oh, nice. 1. 2. Whoever's on top of the end wins. For fuck's sake. Jags. And 5. Cleveland Browns. Congratulations. 5 times. Browns on top. Let's find out who's got the Browns.
Hopefully not me.
Oh. Chris and Tony Addis, congratulations. All right, here we go. Oh my God, that is bloody amazing. What a fantastic card. Kyle Pitts, White Knight. Bottom right corner is a little soft, but bloody hell.
Is that one with the little stars?
Yep, come look at it. You know you want to.
I know, I'm just busy at the moment with this one.
Oh my God, it's amazing. Hotlanta. Last team to go, Damian Ford. Congratulations. Wow. They are seriously something else. Far out. Oh, I'm getting hot. 75, Juju Smith-Schuster. A big old patch. Rookie influx of 50 of Schwartz for the Browns.
There it is. Oh. What's it called? White Knight?
White Knight. To 199, Jalen Phillips for the Dolphins. And this is a big box. Wow. Because for the San Francisco 49ers, RPA to 99 of Trey Lance. Well, that's what I was saying, Ziong. Like, can we get these sort of cards in... Chuck them in Obsidian, chuck them in anything. I want, like, anyone. Give me a Davion Mitchell one. Panini, take a bow. They are case hits. They're not numbered. They're in the unnumbered base spot. But same place as the regulator was. Dan Marino. A to 75. It is Jamar Chase. A jersey. Jet Black to 125. Alvin Kamara. Auto to 35. A Simi Fehoko for the Dallas Cowboys. And an RPA to 199 of Ian Book. You know what? I feel like that's not the first time we've gone Book for Hoko.
There you go.
I don't know who Hoko is, but they're getting lots of books. Book for Hoko. Yep, thank you. Hi, Cody here from Manila. I feel like we'd be better off bringing private signings into the NFL. What a prick. And finally for 4159. Oh, big Milkies. Jalen Camp. Oh, thick boy on the back. Jalen Camp for the Jags. A to 25, Trey Lance. The big hand. Josh Palmer. To 125, futuristic. I mean, if that's nice, it's going to be nice. To 199, Seth Williams. And Kyle Trask. Okay, just the sizable signatures, $2.99. So the sizable signature's a little bit thicker, but that is Black 4159. What a break!
You were pretty quick to disregard the 25 rookie.
No. Which one? Trey Lance. That's a really nice card.
You were like, oh, okay.
Trey Lance. That is Black 4159. There's just so many good cards. That was actually a really, really good break.